Hello viewers, I am Jagannath and you are watching my channel Jagannath Technical Classes. So my dear student, today in this video program we have to discuss the different methods for the equilibrium of coplanar forces. These methods are important because if a system of forces will be in equilibrium condition, if there are any unknown forces, we can easily find that forces using the certain methods. Okay, then come to the first important method, and that is the Lami's theorem. Lami's theorem is a analytic method first of all. Then come to there are various limitation of the Lami's theorem. Then come to the first limitation. The Lami's theorem only valids for the coplanar concurrent forces. It valids for the coplanar concurrent forces. It means in a system of forces, if the forces passing through a single point, if the forces passing through a single point and acting on a single plane or lie on a single plane is known as the what? The coplanar concurrent forces, and the Lami's theorem only valid for these forces. Okay, then come to the second limitation, that is it is also valid if the number of forces acting in that system of forces will be 3. So Lami's theorem also valid where the system of forces contain only 3 number of forces. If there are more than 3 number of forces, in that case it cannot use. Okay, so Lami's theorem रे only हमें केते number of forces use करी परिबा, only 3 number of forces use करी परिबा, more than 3 number of forces use करी परिबा नहीं. तो फाइनली हम जानले कोन Lami's theorem टा कोठी यूज करिबा जदि सिस्टम ऑफ फोर्सेस मोस्ट बी इन इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशन, जदि इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशन रे थिबे आ फोर्स गुडी को कहि दिबे दे मोस्ट हैव द कोप्लानर कंकरेंट फोर्सेस. से सब फोर्स कोन हेतिबे ना कोप्लानर कंकरेंट फोर्सेस हेतिबे. आ फाइनली इन दैट सिस्टम ऑफ फोर्सेस मोस्ट हैव द 3 नंबर ऑफ कोप्लानर कंकरेंट फोर्सेस. तो केते नंबर ऑफ फोर्सेस हेतिबा दरकार ना 3 नंबर ऑफ फोर्सेस हेतिबा दरकार. दीज आर द बेसिक लिमिटेशन ऑफ द Lami's theorem. जदि ए लिमिटेशन सब वैलिड करूची ताहाले हमें Lami's theorem को यूज करि परिबा, नहले हमें यूज करि परिबा नाही. ओके, then come to the statement of the Lami's theorem. Lami's theorem states that if 3 coplanar concurrent forces acting in a system of forces, then the each forces is proportional to the sine angle between the other two forces. She says that if suppose there is 3 forces available in that system of the forces, and that forces suppose P, Q and R. Okay, and the angle of inclination between these forces, suppose this will be the alpha, this will be the beta, and this will be the gamma. Okay, so Lami's theorem states that what? The force, suppose I am considering the force P, the force P proportional to the sine angle between the other two forces, that is the angle alpha. So we can write P is directly proportional to the sine angle between the forces Q and R, that is sine alpha. Okay, suppose this will be the equation 1. Such a manner, again I am considering the force Q, then what happened? Q is directly proportional to the sine angle between the other two forces, that is P and R. And here I am also write the Q directly proportional to the sine beta. This will be suppose equation 2. For force R, then what will happen? R directly proportional to the sine angle of gamma. Okay, these are the 3 equation arises using the Lami's theorem. Okay. And here the because of the proportional, some proportionality constant arises. Suppose here P equal to, suppose I am right here the proportionality constant K1 sine alpha, and here also I am right Q equal to K2 sine beta, and here also at that I am right R equal to K3 sine gamma. Okay, So in that equation 1 the proportionality arises K1, in that equation 2 the proportionality constant arises K2, in such a manner that in that equation 3 the proportionality constant arises K3. Okay, but Lami's theorem is valid only for the system which will be in equilibrium condition. गोटे equilibrium condition रे जदि forces सब acting करथिबे ताहले जाई सेठी Lami's theorem apply ही परिबो. ठीक अछि. And here the know the fact about that if a system will be in equilibrium condition, then there are available all the proportionality constant have the same value. That is, for a system of forces which will be in equilibrium, that must have K1 equal to K2 equal to K3. That all proportionality constant have the same magnitude. Okay, so finally you convert this equation into what? K1 equal to what? P by sin alpha, in such a manner that here K2 equal to what? Q by sin beta. So finally here also K3 equal to what? R by sin gamma. Okay, and here the K1 equal to K2 equal to K3 because of the system of the forces will be equilibrium condition. Okay, so here putting the value of K1, that is the P by sin alpha, then putting the value of K2, that is the Q by sin beta, and finally putting the value of K3, that is R by sin gamma. Okay, this will be the representation of the Lami's theorem. Okay, and using this formula we can solve the any unknown forces of the system of forces. आउ सब बेले मन रखिबा Lami's theorem only valid when the system of forces will be in equilibrium condition. जदि equilibrium condition रे अच्छे system of forces then जाई हमें Lami's theorem को use करि परिबा. Okay, but here is a important note is that जदि मानकर गोटे system of forces have the more than 3 forces like 4 number of 5th number of एमती किछि forces थिबो ताहाले हमें calculation केमती करिबा. तो सेथि पई हमें यूज करिबा द बेस्ट मेथड्स ऑफ द मेकानिक्स, दैट इज द रिजोल्यूशन ऑफ फोर्सेस मेथड. ठीक अछि, तो सेही काइंड ऑफ सॉल्यूशन रे हमें रिजोल्यूशन मेथड को अप्लाई करिबा और सेही मेथड हमें Lami's theorem रा किछटा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कला परे जल्दी जल्दी स्टार्ट करिबा. ओके, सो टुडे आई एम डिस्कस व्हाट इज एक्चुअली द Lami's theorem. ओके, इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो प्रोग्राम we do some problem based on the Lami's theorem. After that we go to the next method of the equilibrium of the forces, and that is the resolution of forces method. Okay, so please do like, share, comment, and never forget to subscribe our channel Flattest Update. Keep watching. Thank you.